Alright. Looking at this 4-door. Not sure what it is. Oops. Four-door. It's a Packard. Looks pretty together. Let's take a look on the inside here. Oh, dang. No doors open in here. Oh, this one opens, but it's ugh. Let's look at this trunk area. It seems to be all there. Let's look at the dash real quick. Stick shift on the floor, showing a shifter on the floor there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Dash is pretty simple. Seats are there. I wonder if the motor's in it. There's the front end. Old Packard. Put a year on that for me if you can. I'm gonna try to open the hood. I need to shut this camera off. Stuck in it one side for some reason. Huh. I don't know why it won't open. There's no way it opens this way. Oh, I guess it does. It does open that way. It opens sideways like this. It's a flat 8. Straight flathead too. 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah. Pretty cool. Straight 8 flathead. I don't see anything else new here. I'll have to go up front and check it out. Of course, he's got his radio playing. That's gonna screw me up a little bit. You got rid of that convertible Falcon I see missing. Got a bunch of Studebakers around. Now he says this car, this is an AMX, he says this is worth a lot of money. And he's got all the stuff for it. The engine, 401 or something he's got for it. Got the hood, got the 4-speed transmission for it. Supposed to have everything. Then he's got a parts car over here. Guess the windshield will work in this one. That's what he tells me. But that's an AMX also. I think it's just a different year. But yeah, it's hard to see, but he supposedly has everything for this car here. Another Studebaker. Bunch of stuff. Another Studebaker over there. He mowed his grass, I see. I'm not sure how this film's coming out. It's on my visor and my hat with my GoPro. I'm still trying to get used to this GoPro thing. A little Chrysler product and a Volkswagen. This Volkswagen don't look too bad of shape. Usually the bottoms down there are all rotted out of them. It's locked up. It's newer. Taillights tell me it's a, I'm guessing 70 something, 73 maybe. Yeah, oh, that's a two-door Chrysler. Chrysler what? Nice Apache over there. Here's a Dodge Royal, four-door car. No motor. We got an old Cutlass over there, right there. That don't look half bad. Now this side's bashed in a little bit. Not too bad though. I guess that's all the videotape I'm gonna do here today.